As I've got a little bit older, I much prefer simple drinks, simple highballs in particular, whether it's rum and cokes, rum and ginger beers. Grapefruit soda is having its day now because of the Paloma, but we've adopted that into rum world, and rum Palomas are fantastic. But it's always been this little thing in me where I've wanted to create the next big highball. Now, I'm not averse to adding one, maybe two ingredients to a highball, but they have to be really quick, really simple, really faff free. And that's what we've got here today. It's a different mixer, but one I hope people will adopt and take on and give it a chance. Hey rum friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Steve the Barman, bartender for over 30 years, rum lover for God knows how long. And here on this channel, we did deep dive into rum just after COVID for 3 or 4 years. But now I'm on a mission to create 100 brand new rum cocktails. So if you like the sound of that, I'd love you to hit that subscribe button and join me on my mission. Right, we have called this cocktail YOLO. Yuzu Only Live Once, and that's a nod to one of the ingredients we've got coming up in this drink. Now remember, if you want the recipe, that will be in the description below, along with like loads of links to get like discounts and stuff like that. But I will talk you through the ingredients and alternative brands just in case you can't get anything I've got here after we've made it. So let's dive in. So the first ingredient, I've gone for my rum of choice. Now the point to note here, this is what I'm currently using behind my bar, is like an Agricole style of rum. It's not Agricole, it's close, but I'll explain a bit more in a minute. So 45ml, 1.5 ounces of my Stella, straight into my highball glass. Now, very unlike me, you can see I have actually got some freshly squeezed juice here. It's mainly because I don't actually have that much grapefruit, and we can never really get like litre bottles or litre packs of grapefruit juice. It's just easy to get a grapefruit like that for the amount I use. So I've juiced one here. I'm also, it's worth noting, I've juiced the whole grapefruit here because I'm actually going to do a little experiment just before I kind of explain the ingredients. So I've got a second variation of this, but 30ml of pink grapefruit juice. Now I have actually tried this with the mixer that's coming, so I'm actually going to add 5ml of sugar syrup, but this will be very much on you, depending on the mixer, whatever you kind of go to make this, and I'll explain a bit more in a second, but it's just there if you need it. I want 5ml of sugar syrup. And then the mixer in question, I've got some Yuzu Soda from Franklin's and Sons. I first tried this at the start of the year, January, and fell in love with it then. I really, really like it. I wouldn't say it's a mass market ingredient, product, but there are alternatives and different ways to do it. So I'm just going to top this now with my Yuzu Soda. That is goddamn sensational. I could polish, I mean, it's a really hot day today. I could polish off a lot of those. Now, I did need that 5ml of sugar, and that's purely based on the Yuzu Soda that I've used in here. But that is fantastic. I love the addition of that grapefruit. That grapefruit and yuzu really combine super well. I love the rum choice as well. That is just an incredibly easy, but really, really tasty highball. Now, I did say I've got an experiment. I'm going to quickly dive into that, and then we're going to talk about different alternative ingredients, just in case you haven't got access to anything that I've used. Now, we're all here for a few experiments, of course we are. So what have I got planned? Well, virtually this similar drink, except with a rum swap. Now, my membership community are going to be treated to a little tasting and deep diving of this brand behind me. I'm not going to get too much into that now. All I want to say is that I fancy a pineapple version of this. I think a pineapple rum could work really, really well here. So this is a pineapple spiced rum. Pay little to no attention to the brand I'm using at this precise moment. The thing is, does this work with pineapple rum? Now, this is a little bit sweeter as a base rum to the Agricole that I've got there. So I'm not going to add any sugar for this precise moment. I'm just going to make this a simple 3 ingredient drink. Wow. Okay. The fun drinks lover inside me really, really likes that. But as the rum lover inside me, I think I do actually prefer the plain rum. The pineapple is fantastic. I've almost got lilt lives, and you know, long-term viewers will know that I love my lilt, Aldi or Fanta, whatever it's called now, pineapple and grapefruit. Aldi do a tropical blast. I adore that sort of stuff. That's the vibes. That is really delicious. Honestly, that is so good. I think I'm just going to be a little bit of a rum snob here for 2 minutes and just pay homage to the Agricole, the Funk Nose. I tell you what might have been a good shout, actually. Split base. 30ml of the Agricole-style rum, 30ml of that pineapple rum. It's just a bit lighter, a bit more refreshing, the Stella, but that is fantastic. Oh, you could have so much fun with that Yuzu Soda and a hint of grapefruit. I think that could be really good to play with for different highballs. Cool, that's going to get polished off, properly polished off. I adore that. That is so good. Right, the rums. As I said, look, Stella is not an Agricole. I have got an Agricole down here, but it's not. It's kind of a higher ABV. It's a 55%er, and it's not quite what I want from a highball. So I'm going to get some different Agricoles back in here. This is a 4-rum blend. And it's basically Swaziland Reunion. That's where the Agricole nose and taste profile comes from. And then we've got a tiny bit of unaged Jamaican and a tiny bit of aged Don Republic in here. So it is a blend, but I think an Agricole, an out-and-out Agricole is going to be outstanding in that drink. Now, I did go down an Agricole rabbit hole. I know full well what 1 or 2 brands I would have behind here, but give me a shout in the comments below. What should I use? This is the big, bold, punchy brand that I've got, and I adore this, but as I said, 55% are not quite what I want from a highball Agricole. I don't need to talk about the grapefruit, so the only other thing really is this Yuzu Soda. There we go, it's my photo one. Look, this is going to be easy to get in the UK. Discount code for 10% off in the comments below here. Franklin's and Sons for good times in the UK. US, I think you might have access to this now, but the thing I want to note here, there's various other ways you can do this. I've got a yuzu liqueur there, which you can balance out with sugar syrup and plain soda water. Have I got it here? No, it's probably in the fridge. These are all empty bottles, by the way. But a yuzu syrup, a yuzu puree, again, you could mix with soda water. So there are plenty ways, and if you're lucky enough to live in a country that actually grows yuzu, you could use fresh yuzu. Of course you can. But there's many ways that you can create a yuzu soda. And I'd love it to be the next big thing, like taking over from grapefruit. I would absolutely love that because it is super delicious. Oh, so good. Do you know how I describe that? It's like a modern day posher bitter lemon. That's what it is. It's got a citrusy flavour profile, but much more rounded, much more, ooh, what's that, than bitter lemon. Now, if you like what I'm about and you want to go deeper on your rum journey, then I'd love you to consider joining my YouTube membership community. There'll be a join button on this video, on the channel homepage, and there'll be a link in the description as well. Each week I do membership exclusive live videos, whether it's tastings, whether we're talking about something new that I've got behind the bar, whether it's answering any of my members' questions. We do that Wednesdays at the moment, so that's the members live stream. You're going to help me build my cocktail book. You're going to be intrinsic. All this will come like in a month or so, a couple of months' time. You're going to help me build that cocktail book that I'm self-publishing in 2027. 100 brand new rum cocktails. Each month you get a free themed cocktail, rum cocktail PDF. First month was daiquiri, the second month was pina colada, and now I've just published the dark and stormy. So all that's free, all for a really low fee. So come and join me in my YouTube membership. If you don't want to, if you just want to check out another rum cocktail, dive into that one that's on screen now. Cheers.